Do you want to learn how to turn this into this in only a few simple steps? Fear not, today you shall learn. Also, stick around to the end of the video and I will give you a bonus tip to spice up your image. Step 1. Turn off all your lights, position your camera, make sure you got your framing set so you don't waste your time lighting stuff that will not be in frame. Step 2. Position your key light, which in my case is an Nanlite Forza 60 with a beauty dish right up here at about 45-degree angle coming from above. Using the beauty dish or a softbox will give you a nice wraparound light on the face. Step number 3. Position a second light opposite to your key light behind your subject to get a nice edge light to separate you from the background. I prefer using a hard light source for this, which means, in my case, a USB-powered LED light panel, a small, cheap one you can get on Amazon. So, there you have it. 3 simple steps to improve your images for your videos in the future. Since you were amazing enough to stick around to the end of the video, here's a bonus tip. If you find that your background is really boring and plain, get a set of cheap string lights at a hardware store, string them up in the background, and add some interest. So, there you have it, creating a high-key lighting setup with only 3 simple steps in a couple of minutes. I hope you learned something, and if you did, leave a like. And if high-key lighting isn't to your taste, check out low-key lighting right here.